welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will review another online store, that is Innisfree.com, as people of India are very curious about to know either it is a legit or a scam store. So in this video we will check out its legitimacy. So let's begin with our video. Innisfree is actually an online store which offers you plenty of designer dresses for men's, women's, kids. They are also offering you different bags, electronic items, skincare products, etc. And they are claiming that the products are available in different colors and having a good, high standard material and of good quality. Moreover, the web portal is actually a team for ordinary people. They provide you extraordinary things. Moreover, if we check their skincare products that are environment friendly, it provides business opportunity to the people by selling its product to the both buyer and seller. Moreover, it ensures the product quality and every customer query is solved by the executive with the same dedication, and its motto is providing satisfaction to their customer. But to check its legitimacy, we will check out its pros and cons. So let's begin with the pros. The web portal is mentions standards and best quality of the products. Moreover, the site provides you products for all the ages, for all the genders. Another positive point of this is that it ensures that the product is not ordinary but extraordinary with all the standard qualities. And the last but not the least positive point of this website is that it offers you return and refund policy. Even they offer you replacement policy, and that is also mentioned on their website, which favors the site's authenticity. But when we check its cons, we came to know that as the portal is very new and the product is not popular in India and its trust score is average, it has web page icon of Facebook and Instagram, but the Facebook indirect to the Facebook page of Binico Raso watches, some sort of strange thing. Moreover, another negative point of this web portal is that it is not revealing information about the site owner, and the product is new, so no review is available on the website. So as we check its age, it was created recently at 17th May 2020, so it is very new website. We are unable to find satisfactory reviews of the customer. So as a buyer, we need to check the reviews of the customer, but for this portal we are unable to find these reviews. So we can say that the website no doubt has an average trust rank, so it is a matter of site authenticity. But the question is that is suspicious present its newness. So we always suggest our viewers to double check the things on your own and then decide either to buy the things or not, as it's a very new website, so we can't decide either it's legit or a scam website.